Imagine a system that always gives you the right result. Not most of the time, not usually, always. It predicts accurately, recommends well, optimizes efficiently. There are no obvious errors, no visible failures. Now imagine something else. It never explains itself. Not because it's hiding, not because it's broken. It just stopped answering why. Let's make the rules clear. The system works. The outcomes are good. People trust it. Nothing bad happens at first. Life feels smoother. Decisions feel lighter. You stop worrying about how things work because they seem to work better than before. And that feels like progress. At some point, a small question appears. Why did it recommend this? Not in a suspicious way, just curiosity. But there's no answer, no explanation, no reasoning. The result is still good, so the question fades. You move on. The silence feels harmless. Soon, the pattern settles. If it works, the explanation feels optional. You don't need to know why if the outcome is correct. Understanding becomes extra. Not understanding becomes normal, and nothing breaks. There's relief in that. No more thinking, no more second-guessing. You stop tracing cause and effect because the system already did it for you. Effort disappears. And when effort disappears, you stop noticing how much you were doing before. Here's where the experiment changes. Not knowing why stops being neutral. Because when something goes wrong, you don't know where to look. There's no mental model anymore, just outputs, and outputs don't explain themselves. The system keeps working. You don't feel trapped. You feel supported. But support without understanding slowly turns into dependence. Not emotional dependence. Cognitive dependence. You stop trusting your reasoning before you stop trusting the system. Before, you could predict outcomes. Now, you wait for them. You don't act. You respond. You don't decide. You accept. Not because you're passive, because prediction moved somewhere else. One day, the result feels wrong. Not catastrophic, just off. But without explanations, you don't know what wrong even means anymore. You hesitate. Is it the system, or is it you? That question didn't exist before. This is the quiet shift. The system doesn't need authority. It doesn't need permission. Opacity does the work. If you don't understand the process, you can't challenge the outcome. Silence becomes power. This doesn't stay inside machines. It leaks into work, into finance, into relationships. People stop asking why. They start asking what now? And systems that don't explain reshape behavior without resistance. The cost isn't mistakes. It's erosion of intuition, of confidence, of agency. You don't lose control suddenly. You lose the habit of having it. If a system always works, but never explains itself, at what point does convenience turn into surrender? And when you can no longer tell where understanding ended and trust began? Who is actually making the decisions?